Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you how I do my eyebrows because there's been a lot of people asking how I do my eyebrows and I haven't done it in a while, so everything has definitely changed since a long time ago since I did my last video for my eyebrows. So how to go from this to this, then just keep watching. Alright, so to be honest, I change my eyebrow routine frequently. So sometimes I want to see my eyebrows to be like very defined and things like that, but sometimes I just want to put like a brow on it and just like coat it and not make her do anything. But recently this is what I've been doing for maybe about 3 weeks now. I've been doing this every single day, and I just absolutely love it. And there's only two products, so two products. So the one that I just absolutely love, I've been using this for a very long time and I keep going back because this is just the best one. This is from Sigma. This is the medium brow powder. This is so good. It does have the two colors here and then it has the darker one over here. So I use this one on the inner part and the darker part on the outer part. And then the brush that I use is from Benefit. I like this one out of all of the ones I've had because this one gets so tiny. It is so small. And then the gel that I put it over is from Hourglass, and this is the soft brunette one. So these are the three things that I do to do my eyebrows. So I'm gonna show you exactly how I do it, and trust me, it is super simple, and you guys are gonna be like, wow, that's it. And I'm gonna be like, yeah, you're right, that's it. And so let's just zoom in closer and I'll show you guys exactly what I do. So I always have pretty good brows, I think. And then after my surgery, I looked at them in the mirror maybe 2 or 3 weeks after, and I was like, wow, my eyebrows are horrible. And of course I can't see at that time. I had double vision. I couldn't see at all, and I decided to start plucking everything, which was just a horrible idea. And so now it's all growing back now, but you can see some pieces that are on the side, but I'm just trying to get it all nice and clean, and then I'll go and do it later. But yeah, so the first thing I'm gonna do is brush everything up and then kind of make it so it's all the same length and the shape that I want it to be, and doing the other side obviously also. So mine are a little bit different. So this one is more flat here and then goes here. This one's kind of round, so I'm trying to wait for it to grow it by itself and it'll do better, but we're gonna see. So I always start right here. I don't want to start too close, but I want to have it follow the other one that I already have. So you can see I am just going right through the line just like this, and I'm not really doing anything else other than that. And then I'm only doing this part. I'm not bringing it all the way down. I just do this part first, and then I will color that in for the color that I want, and making sure everything is how I want it. I make sure everything is nice and flat. So you can see here, it's kind of bumpy here, so I like to go in and really define everything here. Make sure it's all straight. And then I always take this part right here and connect it with on the other over here. You can see right here it's slowly starting to be the way it's supposed to be. Next is I'm going to take the darker color. So you can see I'm adding a little bit of that darker part just to make sure everything is all correct and there's no bumps here, and you can see right here that there's nothing there, so I need to put some color in there. I do need to take out some of my hairs there, but I'm just trying to grow it out, so I'm not gonna do anything with it, so I'm just keeping it right here. So then I'm just making to check to see if everything is nice and smooth, so just like that. And then now at the end I like to go through with my spoolie and blend all of that stuff up first, so right here. So after I'm done with that, I will take the Hourglass Arch Fiber Gel, and I'm going to put this in my eyebrows, obviously. And I love this gel because you have like two sides. There's one side that is like really thick, and then the one at the bottom, there's two different sides. You guys can kind of see it right there. But yeah, it's really great. So I like to take the longer one first. And I like to make mine nice and like stick up. And then brush it over here. And then I'll take the other side, the one that's small, and I'll go through and do this again. So this is my brow that is done. This is the one that has not been done yet. So you can see here there is definitely a difference between the two brows. This is one that had nothing on it, and this one is the new one. And it's super simple because it's just like 3 products, 2 things, and then 1 brush, and it is just so easy and so simple, and I love these products. So I'm going to finish the other eyebrow and I will be right back.